It's so inspiring to think about how throughout history, humanity has been driven by a passion for discovery and innovation. Today, we're on the cusp of something truly amazing, the amazing adventure of colonizing Mars. This is such an exciting time for us all. It's not just a technological achievement, it's a critical step for the future of our species. As former NASA Administrator Jim Bridenstine kindly put it, Mars is a habitable planet. We've got proof that there's been life there, and even now, there's still liquid water. These words show us all the amazing things we could do if we colonize Mars. They're a great invitation to this wonderful adventure. Scientific exploration and research. One of the best things about colonizing Mars is that we'll get to learn so much more about this fascinating planet. The lovely folks at NASA have been searching for traces of ancient microbial life on Mars since 2021 with their Perseverance rover. The great thing about having researchers on the ground is that they can make such discoveries much more quickly and effectively. It's so exciting to think that studying Mars' geological history, climate change, and possible traces of life will help us understand not only Mars, but also the origin of Earth and life. For instance, the ancient delta structures found in Jezero Crater on Mars hint that our planet had a watery past. By taking a closer look at these areas with detailed geological and chemical analyses, human researchers can learn more about how Mars was habitable in the past and maybe even find traces of ancient life forms. The amazing progress we've made in technology, the exciting prospect of Mars colonization will lead to some truly amazing developments in space technologies. SpaceX's Starship project is one of the most ambitious and exciting initiatives in this field. This amazing spacecraft is fully reusable, which means it can carry lots of cargo and people to Mars. And it doesn't stop there. The technologies needed to support life on Mars could also help solve problems here on Earth. For instance, NASA's MOXIE experiment has already succeeded in producing oxygen from the Martian atmosphere. This technology could be the solution to air pollution problems not only on Mars, but also on Earth in the future. Mars is a truly amazing place, full of valuable resources just waiting to be discovered. The lovely planet Mars is blessed with a wealth of valuable resources, including iron, titanium, and nickel, which are found in abundance on its surface. And there's more. The ice reserves in the polar regions of Mars can be used as a source of water.
Because this is the first time in Earth's 4.5 billion year history that it's been possible to extend life or consciousness beyond Earth. And we've got to do that while civilization is still strong. So that's the overarching goal of the company, is extend life sustainably to another planet. Mars is the only option, really. And to do so, ideally before World War III or some kind of bad thing. The key thing is that we need enough people and enough tonnage on Mars such that Mars can survive and continue consciousness even if something would happen to Earth. Now, I still think, obviously, I'm not talking about abandoning Earth or anything like that, and we want Earth to be as good as possible for as long as possible, but there are certain things that may be outside of our control. So we want to just get Mars to be a self-sustaining civilization as quickly as possible. And I think this can be done in around 20 years. So, and this giant Starship factory that we're building is obviously key to that. And the launch sites that we're building here and at the Cape and elsewhere in the future will be key to that. So let's just go through that.
This is the final go, no go poll for Flight 3 of Starship. Invite 2.
Go.
Stage 1.
Go.
Stage 2.
Go.
Flight directors go from launch.
so inspiring to see countries like Luxembourg and the United Arab Emirates taking the lead on space mining legislation. Wouldn't it be amazing if we could extract and process resources on Mars? It could even lead to the birth of a whole new economic sector. Let's make sure we look after our planet for future generations. As Elon Musk often says, Mars colonization is a great way for us to spread our wings and not put all our eggs in one basket. Given the scary things that could happen to our lovely planet Earth, like an asteroid hitting us, global climate change, or nuclear war, setting up a new colony on Mars could be a great way to make sure our species keeps going strong. Mars colonization is one of the biggest challenges we've ever faced as a species, but the potential benefits are so worth it. The amazing things we could discover, the incredible advances we could make, the exciting economic opportunities, the long-term sustainability of humanity, and the wonderful chance to work together across the globe make this one of the most important projects of the 21st century. If we succeed in establishing a colony on Mars, it would be a truly amazing moment. Not only would we be ushering in a new era of space exploration, but we would also be improving life on Earth and redefining humanity's role in the cosmos. As Jim Watson, director of NASA's Mars Exploration Program, said, "Going to Mars is a journey, not just a destination, and it's going to be an amazing one. What we learn during that journey will transform life on Earth." Well, my dear space enthusiasts, we have reached the end of this thrilling journey about colonizing Mars. But don't forget, our cosmic adventure doesn't end here. If you, like me, feel a spark of curiosity when you look at the stars, why not join our lovely Galactic Voyage family? By subscribing to our channel, we can explore so many fascinating topics together. We'll journey from deep space to the secrets of our solar system, from black holes to exoplanets. With each new video, we'll be one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe together. On Galactic Voyage, you'll not only learn, but you'll also become part of a cosmic community. You can participate in discussions with your comments and suggest new video ideas with your questions. Come on, click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any cosmic discoveries. Let's push the boundaries of space together with Galactic Voyage.